Yo, check it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's another meme stock battle, and this one is absolutely critical. I'm going to be breaking down the key levels that you need to know as a trader and investor for AMC and GME, what it means if we close at certain levels for setting up for next week, and what you want to look at if you're bullish or bearish for the meme stocks. I'm going to break it all down. We're looking at Max Pain as well because we're going into Friday, so that's going to be extremely important. We're also going to be looking at SPY in the overall stock market, and I'm going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, ETH, Bitcoin, and the overall cryptocurrency market, macro and micro, breaking down the charts, facts, and data. So let's not waste any more time and hop in. Let's go. All right, what is up? You are back for another video with Datazero. In this video, looking at AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. This is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Hopefully, you tuned into the live stream, but if you missed it, you missed an absolute banger. Also, make sure you tune in tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be insane. It's going to be a Friday, and it's going to be critical. So, you know, we have to look at AMC and GME Max Pain. We're also going to be looking at SPY Max Pain as well in this video because Max Pain is where option makers make the most money, and that is where they are going to try to drive AMC, GME, and SPY. So let's go ahead and dive in. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. With that being said, let's go and hop into charts, facts, data, showing y'all what is going on for today. So Max Pain for AMC is going to be $3.50. So they are going to try to keep AMC around $3.49, $3.48. The battle for apes tomorrow is going to be trying to close above $3.50. We might see a pop to the upside in the morning, but then they'll try to drop it down in the afternoon. They do have a ton of short shares at time of recording, 4.8 million. So they are going to be dumping and utilizing those short shares to try to get their price target of $3.49, $3.48. The reason why it's that price target and not $3.50 is because they don't want $3.50 calls in the money or even a cent in the money or right breaking even. So they're going to try to go for a penny underneath, which is going to be $3.49, $3.48, a penny underneath Max Pain. Max Pain for AMC sitting at $3.50. Max Pain for GME is sitting at $26. This could change tomorrow. Again, Max Pain changes, but right now Max Pain for GameStop is sitting at $26. GameStop got a very bullish push here on today, and we are making a potential bull flag. If GameStop is able to hold these key levels, you're going to see GameStop continue to the upside and potentially have a bullish Friday, which could cause GameStop to get some gamma and push it up very, very nicely. If GameStop can hold the key level of $26.87, then you're going to see GameStop continue to the upside. So GameStop tomorrow, if you're bullish on GameStop, you want to see GameStop continue to hold $26.87. And if we do, that means we can move towards 27. And if we get to 27, $28, $29, we could get some gamma here for GME because GME call options chain is absolutely stacked. Now, at time of recording, they have 2.5 million shares available to short for GME. Cost to borrow has slowly been ticking to the upside, so there is bullish, but again, options chain stacked to the call side, so calls are heavily stacked, and you can see that people are buying out the money calls. A lot of action here at $43 calls. Again, somebody could be expecting a move, but if GME does see a potential push to the upside and hold on Friday, you could see a lot of action here for GME. So again, I don't want to hype people too much up because Friday is one of the most manipulated days and they normally try to push it down, but GME is in a decent position that it could push up, and if GME pushes up, that's going to help AMC push up, and if AMC is able to close with $3.50 in the money, that could give AMC some gamma as well, because you can see AMC is also stacked to the call side. You can see calls are stacked, heavily outweighing puts, and there are people buying $3.50 and $4 calls, so there's action there as well. So if AMC is able to hold $3.50, that's not only a bullish sign for next week, but that's a bullish sign for potentially seeing more upside and a continuation to this overall uptrend that we've been in on AMC ever since we bottomed at that 295 level, which I did say we would bottom and then get a very good bounce to the upside, and that's what we're seeing. Right now we're seeing a little bit of pullback. RSI is cooling down, but I believe AMC is finding a bottom, going to make a higher low and continue an overall uptrend in my personal opinion. So I think AMC is going to continue trending up. I think we're going to see that potential macro double bottom play out. And if we do, then you're going to see AMC start to set up like this on Fridays where you do close over 350. So tomorrow as a battle, absolutely critical. If we close over 350, that's going to be a good position for us to be in. And that's what we want to see as AMC bulls. We want to see AMC break above and close 350 here on Friday. Market makers are going to be doing everything they can to try to stop that. We have support at 347 and 342 to the downside. So if you did see AMC pull back, we have support there. Right now, AMC and GameStop potentially in a good position to have a green Friday. And if we do, that's going to set us up for next week. We want to see GameStop close above $27 if possible and close above max pain. And we want to see AMC close above 350 and above max pain if possible. Max pain for AMC is 350 and GameStop max pain is $26. So that's what I'm looking at for AMC and GME as far as going into tomorrow is concerned. Let's go ahead and move into SPY and show y'all what's going on for SPY and what I expect for SPY. So SPY had a little bit of a flash crash today, pulling back to the downside. We also have a data drop for tomorrow, exiting home sales. That's a 3-star data drop happening at 10 a.m. So expect volatility at 10 a.m. during mid-trading session. Now, SPY did pull back, but it looks like it's going to break above the sloping support and resistance. Again, we did get this little bit of a flash crash, and I did call out the bottom and gave a move to the upside, saying that would be moving up, and I told you guys that in Discord, and we made a decent bag off of that play. If you guys want to get plays like that, all you have to do is hit me up on my email, DataZero Official 5, and then you can pay $100 to get into the Discord. Once you pay payment via PayPal or Cash App, I send you the link to get in, and it's exclusive plays, technicals, and things of that nature, an exclusive community. So if you want to get those plays, hit me up on my email so you can get in the Discord. But you can see that we're breaking above the sloping support and resistance. That's potentially going to happen here in a Friday. That means SPY is probably going to be moving up. Now, SPY's max pain right now for where SPY is, SPY's max pain is sitting at 611. So SPY's max pain is actually to the upside. So we might see incentive for market makers to try to push SPY to the upside. And that's why I think SPY could also see a bullish Friday moving to the upside ultimately. And having a little bit of a bullish Friday here, especially if we break above the sloping support and resistance. So if you see SPY hold the key level of 609.85 and 609.26 and stay above that level, which I think it's going to confirm that tomorrow morning, you're going to see a push to the upside towards 610.78. And if SPY breaks and holds 610.78, you're going to see a continuation up. I think we're probably going to see a green Friday in my personal opinion for SPY, as it did pull back, retest these lower levels, held them as support, and now it's pushing up and it's breaking above the sloping support and resistance. So this is all indications that you're most likely going to see upside. Now that could be upside in the beginning of the day and then downside towards the end of the day. So you want to be very, very careful. But max pain is to the upside. So most likely market makers are going to be trying to push SPY up in my personal opinion. So that's what we're looking at for SPY in the overall stock market. Let's go ahead and go into crypto and then wrap up this video. Short, sweet, and to the point, but still very, very informative, giving you guys all the information you need. So Bitcoin is getting a decent recovery, 98.3K. Bitcoin has resistance at 98.7K. If Bitcoin can break and hold that, we can start moving back towards 100K. And if Bitcoin goes back into the 100K range and holds that, that means we might not have to see the flush out that I was warning all crypto holders about if we lost 91.6K. I told you guys if we lost 91.6K, you would see a flush out on BTC. BTC dominance is so high right now, so Bitcoin is going to be controlling the market. If you see Bitcoin go up, then altcoins are going to go up. You're seeing Bitcoin go up, so altcoins are going up. If you see Bitcoin go down, then altcoins are going to go down because Bitcoin dominance is so high. Bitcoin dominance sitting at the key level right now of 58. So again, with Bitcoin dominance this high and Ethereum dominance this low, sitting at 9.81%, you're going to see Bitcoin really control the market. I'm thinking Bitcoin could potentially be setting up for a move to the upside where we don't have to see that flush out, because right now all we're doing is bullishly consolidating above this key level of 91.6K. And it looks like if we get things like the Xrp Etf and the crypto market keeps developing, especially if we get bullish news from Trump or whatever the case may be, Trump administration, involving crypto, maybe a Bitcoin strategic reserve or more ETFs and stuff like that, you're going to see a continuation to the upside. Trump owns a meme coin, so he's obviously very, very bullish on crypto. And I think 2025 still has bull run in store for BTC. Again, I did call for this Bitcoin bull run. As you can see, Bitcoin is pushing to the upside, and I did call for this Bitcoin bull run way back when Bitcoin was at 28K, and I did call out the bottom around 15K, saying if you accumulate underneath 28K, you're going to be making a decent profit. And now you can see Bitcoin is all the way to the upside as we expected, breaking out of the falling wedge. Again, I simply took the price target for the falling wedge. All I had to do was identify the falling wedge and then take this from this, give me my high to my low, and that gave me my price target for my falling wedge, letting me know that that falling wedge was going to hit at least 80K. And I did call that out on Twitter and let everybody know that Bitcoin was going to be hitting 80K. And then once we hit 80K and had the bull flag, I told everybody that Bitcoin would be hitting 100K. I told people that it would be topping out around 110, 115 in my personal opinion. Now that we're there, it looks like we're consolidating, and I think we're going to see more upside in my personal opinion. When you look at macro charts like the BTC rainbow chart, it's showing that we're still in a accumulation spot, and it's still a prime buying zone for BTC. So again, BTC controlling the market. I think BTC is going to continue up. If you do see Bitcoin move up, you're going to see altcoins make a move. And that's why coins like Ethereum, XRP, it looks like they're setting up for a macro accumulation breakout. Again, Ethereum is still tracking with my macro prediction here. It's still holding with this macro accumulation breakout. So Ethereum could see a nasty move to the upside. Also, Cardano, ADA still inside of this bull flag. So ADA could also see a move to the upside. Again, giving credence that Bitcoin could make a move up, because you're going to need to see Bitcoin make a move up for these altcoins to move. Also, things like XRP, if the ETF comes out, and I did tweet about this, there are news that the XRP ETF is heating up. So I think the XRP ETF could actually come out soon, believe it or not. I think that it could actually come out soon. And if the XRP ETF does come out, you're going to see XRP break and hold $3. XRP right now is in an accumulation range. Anything under $2.75 is a great buy in my personal opinion. Right now, XRP is in an accumulation range where you could probably see a breakout. If it breaks above 275 and holds that level, it could head towards 335. And if it breaks 335 and holds that, it could go into price discovery mode, and you could see it absolutely blast off. I think that would happen if Bitcoin gets a move up past 110K, or if the XRP ETF comes out, or a combination of things. But I think XRP, Ethereum, Cardano, those are some of the top coins in my personal opinion. Me personally, I stay away from meme coins, and I focus on top projects like Bitcoin. My portfolio is 50% Bitcoin and then 50% altcoins. Some of my top holdings are XRP, ADA, Cardano, and Atom. So this is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate you. Make sure you check out the merch store if you want to support the channel in a different way and rep DZ fam in real life. I'm repping some of the merch right now, so you guys can check that out. You guys can change the shirt colors and stuff like that. I changed this one to gray, so you can see how I did that and have the gray shirt now. It helps me out a lot, but if you want to support the channel in a different way, you can also drop a gifted or a super chat. But if you want to support for absolutely free, all you have to do is hit that like button and subscribe, and that helps me out immensely. Leave a comment down below as well, and that helps me out a lot. As always, y'all, I appreciate y'all, and thank you so much for allowing this to be my job. I'm so grateful for being a YouTuber. Thank you. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace. And make sure you do 100 push-ups if you can. I try to do 100 push-ups a day. I'm trying to get the DZ fam to exercise and encourage y'all to exercise. I've been doing 100 push-ups. Let me know if you guys can notice. I think my arms look a little bit bigger. Hopefully we get a lot bigger at the end of this thing. 2025 is our year. We're improving our mind, body, and soul. Thank you all again, man. Peace. All right, y'all, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like, press subscribe for more content like this, and I appreciate each and every one of you for allowing me to do this as a job. I'm truly, truly grateful. Thank you all for the support. This stream was absolutely crazy today. Over 2,000 views plus super chats and 40 brand new members. Make sure you tune into the live streams, because I give away memberships and people get memberships all the time, and it's also a blast as well. You can tune in and listen while you're at work and get all of the details. And if you're in the Discord, you can get the alert signals as well, which helps you grow and learn in this market. Thank you all, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace.